December 7th, 1941. Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. Dorie. Miller was a 22-year-old cook aboard the USS West Virginia. At 7:55 a.m., he was collecting laundry below deck when Japanese torpedoes slammed into the ship. Miller rushed to his battle station, a gun magazine. It was destroyed. So he did what he could. He started carrying wounded sailors to safety. His captain, Mervyn Bennion, had been hit by shrapnel. Miller dragged him to cover. Even as bombs fell and bullets ripped through the deck. Then Miller saw an unmanned .50 caliber anti-aircraft gun. Here's the problem. Doris Miller had zero training on anti-aircraft guns. Black sailors in 1941 weren't allowed to train on weapons. They could only cook and serve food. Miller grabbed the gun anyway. He fired at Japanese dive bombers for 15 minutes straight until he ran out of ammunition. When asked later how he managed to shoot with such skill, Miller said, "It wasn't hard. I just pulled the trigger and she worked fine. I had watched the others with these guns." Official Navy records credit him with shooting down one plane. Miller and other eyewitnesses claimed 4 to 6. On May 27, 1942, Admiral Chester Nimitz personally awarded Miller the Navy Cross, the first black sailor to receive it. Miller continued serving. On November 24, 1943, a Japanese torpedo struck his carrier, the USS Bay. 2/3 of the crew died. Doris Miller was 24 years old. In 2020, the U.S. Navy announced a new aircraft carrier, the USS Doris Miller, the first carrier ever named after an enlisted sailor.